Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Very happy to see you all today. My presentation is called Computer Vision in Sber's Ecosystem. My presentation will be divided into three parts. In the first part, I'll tell you about the successes our company has had in last year. Then, I will tell you about the solutions Sber is using at the moment. And finally, I'll tell you about our plans for 2021. Today, we work in 5 regions of the world. The headquarters is situated in the Netherlands. We have an office in Russia. We have offices opening in Dubai and Singapore this year, as well as North America. Next year, we're planning to start working in South America, Australia, and Japan. We have 5 main products that are well known both inside Russia and outside. Our products are sold in more than 33 countries of the world. We have more than 140 employees at the moment, and despite the pandemics, we've actually employed 50 more people this year. We're growing. We're proud of several things we've made. First of all, the fact that at the moment we have place number 2 in the recognition algorithms competition, NIST. It's really important for us because it gives us serious opportunities for working in the international market and also promotes Russian-made face recognition systems all over the world. Our products line consists of 2 main products, Luna Platform and Luna SDK, a program that provides face recognition. We've developed our own framework. We call it Flower. It's not for sale. We only sell the other 2 products here. And these products are used by many companies to develop their own face recognition systems. Now, the product strategy of our company looks the following way. We don't really like the interfaces, we just provide the math for our partners and clients to realize certain solutions they need. This year, we decided to try something new. We started experimenting with developing interface products as well. So we wrote several TV control systems, temperature control systems for people entering a certain area. So we created a solution that provides quick search with defined criteria. And we've also developed a solution that we call Digital ID, checking photos and documents. Sberbank is where we have one of our main projects, the United Biometric System. It uses our solutions. It's used in both the mobile app, they use our mobile SDK, and it's also used in the United Biometric platform. Now, what does our app give to the user? First of all, the users provide their biometrics to Sberbank. They can also confirm operations at Sberbank and provide service for VIP clients at Sberbank offices. This year, we have also introduced gesture recognition for Sber Portal and other Sberbank products. Nice design. New? Yeah, new. And it's an ATM made from scratch. Looking for a card? Yeah. Don't worry, you don't need it. Should I use my phone? Phone? Or your charming smile? Let me try. Here you go. Please come up closer. You head up. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Your personal data have been confirmed. Doesn't it talk? Well, it can't talk so far, but it can understand your voice commands. You can say, for instance, I want to withdraw 500 rubles. Okay. Wait a little. Choose no receipt, please, because we care about the environment. That's right. That's it. Here you go. Thanks. Here's a video that we really like. Our team wanted us to show. That video shows the practicality of biometrics. It allows Sberbank clients work with the bank more comfortably. I had a situation recently myself. My phone battery died, and unfortunately I didn't have any credit cards with me. And since I'm a client of Sberbank, I managed to use this service. It actually provided a lot of help because I didn't have any cash either. We often receive questions, do you work with voice? No, we don't. If you want to get a good voice solution, you should go to a neighboring company that Dmitry Markov is having a presentation on. Their solution is really good. I would like to also mention the devices that we develop at VisionLabs. The first thing I'd like to start with is the Luna Ace terminal. It's currently installed around many entrances at Sberbank offices. Its unique feature is that it's using Linux. It's important for information safety. This device is certified by Bison company. Data safety is ensured, so right now we see a lot of demand for this device all over the world. Our next device is Luna POS, used for face recognition payment. Device number 3 is something that deserves a separate word. It's a vision thermo, a thermal visor. It can measure the temperature of a person. And if a person wants to enter a certain room, like an office, they will not get access if their temperature is above a certain threshold. The devices on the bottom, the 3 devices that we already have as a limited batch production. We're currently finishing work on them. Number 1 is Luna Ace Mini. It's an alternative to Luna Ace, but much cheaper. The only difference is that it doesn't have a screen. Now, Luna POS 2 is a terminal that can basically employ a few tech advantages over the first version, and also, right now, it's being tested at Sber. Luna Body Cam is a chest video cam, body cam that we hope to start using at Sberbank this year. It's used to record videos for departments called, for places, well, it's called CODO. Anyways. Now, where have our devices been used? It's more than just Sber. Luna Ace is installed at MTS, VDB, tested at Moscow Metro right now. We installed Luna Thermo at McDonald's, certain schools, certain construction sites as well. Luna POS, the face recognition payment terminal, is used at Magnet, Flash, Papa John's, and others. Now, a few words about our plans for 2021. Our main tasks for the year of 2021 look this way. First of all, we need to upgrade the current biometric platform that Sber has, because today we see a lot of load. Also, we see that the load reaches 100 queries per second, so we need to increase the performance of that platform. The second task that we envision is creating a solution for passive liveness, a product that can deflect attacks at the biometric platform using just single shots. We also have several solutions being tested at the moment. Two, actually. Number one is Luna Attack. Unlike our typical products, this one can use silhouette recognition based on clothing, and we see a lot of a bright future for this product. Another one is Luna OCR, a product needed for a product that uses machine vision, computer vision, to digitalize texts and check pictures, compare a person with the pictures. Is that the person who wants to receive the service, or is it a scammer? Things like that. Now let me tell you about our future Luna OCR service. Possible opportunities. Number one, recognizing more than 20 types of documents in Russia. 30 types of documents for CIS countries. And even more documents from all around the world. You can use a mobile app to take a picture of the document, take a picture of yourself, to complete verification. We'll check if you are the person who is making this operation and are these your documents or not. We've already suggested some companies use it, and some have chosen it. For example, the Emirates Bank, number 2 banks in the Arab Emirates. In Russia, our solution is used by the Federal Tax Service. Let me show you a video showing how it all works for the Federal Tax Service for the self-employed service. So a person downloads an app, they sign up, confirm that the phone number they're using is theirs, and then the app will scan a document. They have made a picture of the document using their phone, then a picture of themselves. The verification starts, and then the system confirms, yes, this person with this passport data getting to the information system is actually the person that wants to become self-employed. This way, the process becomes really quick, and it can be used in more than just governmental bodies. Any commercial organization can use it too, if you use a digital solution. During the pandemics, we saw a spike in demand for such services. Our next technology we're currently working at, we see another bright future for it too. We call it all targets, all cameras tracking. It can identify a person without using a typical identification way, which is the face. Instead, it uses clothing elements and silhouette. We're experimenting with it right now, and we've achieved some good results. The point is, there's a certain room or certain space, and there's a set of cameras there. A person in the view of these cameras is identified by tracking them using images got from this camera. Right now, we see a lot of demand from small and medium businesses in retail for such technology. Why? We see right now that to increase the efficiency, retail specialists really want to know how well the goods are shelved, how well the consultants work. One of the biggest retailers is helping us test this technology at the moment. Can you show video number 3, please, to show how it works? So, you see a store. In the bottom, there's a map of the cameras in the store. So we see people walking around the store tracked by the cameras, and we see their route. This way you can work on a lot of user scenarios. You can check if the janitor checked all the areas they should, or, for instance, what areas a certain client visits. What areas can't they reach? Because they might not need it. This way, we see a way to increase efficiency of a certain retail store by 10 to 15%. We also see that such a service can be used to analyze traffic, first of all. Also, to analyze for queues and to prevent them. We also know that this technology will be in demand on factories, because we see a lot of demand for video systems, recognizing if a certain person is where they should be, or analyze if they use PPEs, hard hats, gloves, masks. And we also see demand for building tracks of certain people. We have achieved pretty good results, I could say. The precision of such system reaches 95%. The recall shows what share of objects actually is connected to the certain class, reaches 68%. As for the processing time, it's around 1 hour. So we can say that there might be a way to process the video real time. That's it. Thank you so much for your attention. Ready to answer your questions.